How to turn off iPhone without touch screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Siri. Here, you can manage settings for Siri's language, voice, and responses. Inside the Siri menu, tap on Talk to Siri under the Siri Request section. On this page, ensure the setting selected to Siri or Hey Siri. Now, go back to the home screen and activate Siri by saying Hey Siri. Simply give the command, shut down the phone. Siri will then ask for confirmation to power off the device. A pop-up will appear with options to either power off or cancel the action. Press and hold the power button and Siri will be activated again. Then say confirm power off. Following these steps, you can easily turn off iPhone without touching screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.